So, when the audience claps and cheers, you know the performance was a hit. Seriously, their reactions are like the ultimate feedback for artists to figure out just how much they've connected with everyone. Now, let's talk visuals. Those cool graphics and images paired with the music really amp up the vibe. They set the mood and bring the whole performance to life, making it way more engaging for the audience.
And music?
It's like the magic glue that sticks everyone together on an emotional level. When the beats drop and melodies flow, people can totally vibe with the performance, creating that unforgettable experience. Plus, how music shifts the overall mood really pulls viewers in. It's like you can feel the themes resonate in your heart, making it super relatable and powerful when telling a story. Speaking of visuals, they totally flow with the music to create a seamless vibe. It's all about that awesome connection between sound and sights, which makes the whole experience come alive and keeps everyone hooked. And here's a cool trick: repeating certain musical phrases makes everything feel familiar and cozy. It's like inviting viewers to dive right into the experience, creating a vibe that sticks with them. Let's not forget the transitions between different music segments. They're key to keeping viewers interested and engaged, each part flowing smoothly into the next, maintaining that overall rhythm. Also, using musical cues repeatedly highlights those big moments in the video. This technique really guides the audience on their emotional journey, making everything more impactful. So, when the audience reacts with applause, it shows they're feeling the music. This interaction totally amps up the excitement and makes the whole viewing experience so much more thrilling.